welcome to my crib. So, welcome into our house. It is a very small student studio apartment, but it is very minimalistic and I kind of like it. We live here, my husband and I. It is a living room, bedroom, guest bedroom, office, kitchen and bathroom kind of studio all in one. But I really love it, so I'm gonna show you around. So let's start with the bedroom. Here we have our walk-in closet with our coats, some of my dresses, and more coats and suits of my husband. Suitcases, some miscellaneous stuff, hampers for dirty laundry, and this is all filled with beauty products and stuff like that. Underwear, other clothes. This is my vanity area. I really like that you can see the whole picture of what you are wearing. My sunglasses collection, little mirror with some jewelry, yes. So this is the rest of the part of our walk-in closet. All of our hanging clothes are here. Again, miscellaneous stuff, but also bags. So in this drawer you find all of my makeup. I can't believe that this is all of my makeup. I used to have a lot, and yeah, this is all. So I'm very proud of myself. So the bed, this is the most important part of the bedroom, of course. Actually, all of our furniture is from IKEA, I think. Another great thing about this bed is that it has a lot of storage space. So we have some winter clothes underneath our mattresses, and it has drawers. As you can see, you can put shoes in there like we did, or other stuff. This dresser is actually really old. It's also, or really old, not like vintage or antique. It is also from IKEA. And I think it's about 10 years old. I think I got it when I was 16 or something. Oh, this is my favorite candy, my guilty pleasure. Some cookies and chocolates. Our wedding picture. Actually, it should be better framed because you can see that it's starting to wrinkle a bit. More of the kitchen stuff here. And talking about the kitchen, let's move over to the kitchen. Well, this is our kitchen. It is very, very small. We have our fridge right here, which is stacked with veggies, of course, because I love my veggies. This is our stove. The funny thing is, only this pit works, or this thing, I don't know what it's called. I don't know why, but the other one broke, so we are cooking on one pit. Some breakfast stuff, lunch stuff, pans and plates and glasses. So that is practically our kitchen. It's not very big. Cleaning stuff is here, some cutlery in here. The rest of the cutlery we have here, which I really like. A blender, fruits and some more veggies. I really love this DIY, what's it called? Seasoning windmill? A seasoning mill. I actually DIY'd these labels on there. I think it looks really cute. Our microwave and toaster. And this is kind of our extra kitchen furniture, because we need to put all of this somewhere. And now we are going into our bathroom, which is this little, what's it called? We call it our submarine. I don't know why, but it has kind of that feeling. I really like that door. So it is really small, and I will show you a close-up right now. This is our little submarine. Next up is our office and dining area, because it's a combination of those two. Very minimalistic. Yeah, I work on this table, I create art on this table, I film on this table, we eat on this table. I really like this table, so I'm kind of sad that it is getting old. But yeah, let's move over to the living room. So this is our living room, and what I really like about this corner here is the couch, and this is my favorite spot of the house. People can stay over because of this couch, because it flips open into a bed, which is really handy, so people can stay over if they want to. This is kind of our guest room, I guess. Another thing that is really nice about this couch is that it is very minimalistic in a way, but very versatile as well, because you can pull this up and stack all of your crap in there. You can see like old DVDs, some paint, stuff we need to have on hand, but not really all the time. So we can stack it in here. I just use it for things I want to be out of sight. So these are our shelves, and I know that books aren't seen as minimalistic, but we really like having like books in our hands, flipping the page over, you know, that old kind of feeling. So that's why we have a lot of books. I really want the Harry Potter series to add to my collection. And here I store all of my art supplies. We both have a drawer, art supplies in here as well. And this is kind of my display area, because I like to see what I have been working on. Some cute stickers are coming out very soon in my Etsy shop, so look out for that. And I really like to be inspired by different kind of pictures. I've been doing workshops in hand lettering, so I have that on this clipboard as well. Another favorite part of this these bookshelves, or this storage area, is this shelf, because it has a lot of games, and me and my husband, or my husband and I, we play a game each day, I think, so that's why I like it. This is a very cute artwork by Barbara. She's a friend of mine and I love it. It's a portrait of my husband and I. So I guess this was it for our crib. So follow me, I'm gonna show you out. Bye bye, see you next time.